Why does your scanner show the P0103 engine code? What does it mean? P0103 is a diagnostic trouble code for mass or volume airflow circuit high input. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a voltage output from the MAF sensor that is higher than expected, which can be caused by a faulty MAF sensor, a problem with its wiring or circuit, an air intake leak, or even a failing PCM. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty or contaminated MAF sensor, intake air leaks, wiring and connector problems, PCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado, Honda Civic, and Nissan Altima models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.